Army Chief General Bipin Rawat today demitted office as the Chief of Army Staff. He was commissioned into the Army in December 1978 and was serving as the Chief of Army Staff since January 1, 2017. General Rawat's next appointment is as India's first Chief of Defence Staff, a role that will be key in promoting the synergy and interoperability in the armed forces. General Rawat received the Guard of Honour at the National War Memorial and he paid tribute there, after which he addressed media persons. He saluted the rank and file of the army for performing their duties with resolve and commitment. He also noted the grit with which armed forces guarding the northern, western and eastern borders were braving the unusually cold winters in India, saluting them for performing their duties without hesitation. Lastly, he thanked the heroic women and the families who stand steadfast behind the personnel in the armed forces to support them and enable them to perform their duties with honour.
Today, as I demit the office of the Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army, I wish to convey my gratitude and compliments to the soldiers, the rank and file of our Indian Army, who have stood steadfast under challenging circumstances and have performed their duty in keeping with the traditions of our armed forces. Today, as I stand here before you, I wish to specially convey my compliments to those soldiers who are deployed on the northern, western and our eastern borders, braving this winter cold and the icy winds as they stand steadfast, performing their role and tasks without hesitation. I also wish to convey my best wishes to the soldiers, the rank and file, their families, our veterans families, our Veer Naris and Matas, all the defence civilians and their families who have supported us, and me in particular, in helping me perform my duties in an honourable manner.
General Rawat takes over as the Chief of Defence Staff from today, and he said he will now plan a strategy for the future in his new role. As the Chief of Defence Staff, General Rawat would be in direct contact with the Prime Minister on security issues, and the Chiefs of the Army, Navy and the Air Force would report to him. He would head the Department of Military Affairs and be paid a salary equivalent to a service chief.